In this video, you will learn about the text type in Python, strings. After watching this video, you will know its characteristics, useful operations you can perform, and most common use cases. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. String is a built-in data type in Python that represents a sequence of characters. It's a fundamental data type to handle text data. Strings are immutable, meaning once they are created, they cannot be modified. So operations that modify string objects return the new ones. You can create a string by putting a word between quotes. It could be a single quotes, double quotes, or even triple single or double quotes for creating multi-line strings. Let's have a look at the most useful operations. You can concat strings using plus operator, like the following. Or repeat strings using multiplication. The other important traits of strings are indexing and slicing. Indexing is used to access a single element from a sequence. It uses a single integer index enclosed in squared brackets. The index specifies the position of the element you want to retrieve. Indexing starts from 0 for the first element and -1 means the last element. The other technique is slicing. Slicing is used to extract subsets of elements from a sequence type, like string, list, or tuple. It specifies a range of indices to create a new sequence. The general syntax for slicing is the following. Start is the starting index of the slice, and it's inclusive. Stop is the ending index of the slice, and it's exclusive, where step is the interval between elements in the slice, and it's optional. When the start index is 0, or the stop index is the last character of the sequence, or step equals 1, then you just don't write it. In Python, reversing a sequence is very simple, thanks to slicing. Indexing always returns you a single element, while slicing returns you a sequence. You can use various methods on strings. Key methods for working with the strings include converting cases, stripping, splitting and joining, and replacing substrings. The last but not least, very common operation on text type is formatting. It's the process of generating strings dynamically using templates and values. Let's have a look at the example. In Python, you can achieve that in various ways. This method uses the % operator for string formatting. This approach uses the format method of the string object, where curly braces act like placeholders. Introduced in Python 3.6, they provide a concise way to embed expressions inside string literals using curly braces. I personally use this approach the most often. Python is a popular choice for working with text because it has strong tools for handling strings and many helpful libraries like NLTK, Spacy and Beautiful Soup. It is easy to use and offers powerful features such as regular expressions and data handling with pandas, making it great for everything from basic text tasks to complex language processing. Python's support for web scraping, data analysis and machine learning adds to its flexibility for managing text data. In this tutorial you have learned about strings, a fundamental data type used to handle text. Strings can be created in various types of quotes and manipulated with operations like concatenation, indexing or slicing. Key methods for working with the strings include converting cases, splitting and joining, stripping, and replacing substrings. Additionally, Python offers several ways to format strings, making it a versatile tool for text processing and dynamic string generation. And that would be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.